Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the garage. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a sign. I've done a couple of these, but I didn't kind of walk you through it. It's basically the same principle as making the top for this guy. So I'm going to cut my board down. I'm going to rip the sides of it off, like we talked about. We'll glue it up, and then I've got the hand planer over there. We're going to hand plane it and then throw it in the laser burner and burn a sign on it. So, yeah, this is going to be the kind of step-by-step process. I'll try not to skip around too much. Basically, we start with a 2x4. I got my lines marked out on what I need and how big. It's kind of a random thing. I mean, I can make a sign however big I want to make it. So, this one's going to be 4 boards high, basically. So if you look at this guy, once they're ripped, 4 boards is going to give us a sign about that big. Sorry, that's 3 boards. 4 boards will give us about 12 inches high. So that should be perfect. My length is, again, just a random number. And we'll, I'll show you throwing them all together here. But that's the first step. I got to cut these and then rip them on the table saw. So we'll be right back to that. So I don't have a fence for this. I just made up a fence. Just clamped down a 2x4. I want to rip almost nothing off of this board. As I said before, I just want to take this little curve off. So I'm pretty much going for the tightest cut I can. You can see it's just going to rip literally like 16th, maybe 2/16 off of this board. So I can't hold the camera and rip boards. So I will show you them when they're done. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have 4 boards, square edges. We're going to throw some glue in here, glue these together, clamp it up, and it takes, depends on the temperature, but it's 55 degrees in here, so it'll probably take 2 days for it to dry. And then we're going to plane it, sand it, stain it, and then burn it. So all this dirt and stuff, that'll all come out. You don't have to worry about that. But yeah, that's the deal. So I'm going to get this glued up, and I'll show you the next step. All right, thick covering of glue. This is going to be outside, so definitely don't skimp on the glue. I'm using watertight, outdoor water-resistant glue. So, yeah, just spread this on and lay them down, glue them up. Obviously, I got to get the other sides because each board has 2 sides, but I can't really do it and show you, so we'll get this clamped up and I'll show you the result. Okie dokie. So, I got it all glued up. I got, as you can see, I got the smooth it all out so it sets flat. Clamped up good and tight. Little tip trick, use a little scrap piece so you don't get an indent in your wood. If you put a little scrap in there, it's literally what I cut off the board, you'll save yourself a divot in the front of this and have to sand it out later. Which isn't that big of a deal, but, you know, hey, save a little bit of time. So, yeah, that's it. I'm going to fill these little spots up, and I do have some more straps, so I'm going to ratchet strap it all together and just let it sit and dry a couple days, and then we'll show you cleaning it up, and we'll show you the laser part of it. Couple episodes down. I'm not sure how this is going to edit out, but yeah, that's first steps of making a sign. Thanks, guys. Have a good